today I'm going to be installing this wig from Dorsanee Hair. They sent over a U-part wig for me to try for y'all. I'll put the details in the description bar. Ooh, open it up and everything's falling out. And elastic band to melt your hair. Lashes that are cute, a wig cap, and here's the wig. 26 inches in a natural 1B color. But this is what it looks like. You have to cut these two pieces out right here. In the inside that are on the side, you have clips where you'll be securing the wig when you cut these two pieces out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have a comb in the back and adjustable straps to make it nice and snug. But I'm so glad this is such a longer wig, and we're gonna have a natural look because you have your little leave out. I've already sectioned my hair out since I knew I was gonna be installing this wig, and I'm gonna keep it as a middle part. So let's get started with the install. Okay, we have the full install complete of this U-part wig. What do you guys think of it? I think this looks really good and very cute and honestly very realistic. I'm not sure, like, can you see? Please tell me this looks way too real. Like, I kind of think I did that. Like, I'm gonna give myself some credit today. Give yourself a pat on the back, Kaya, because this looks good. You got a little lace showing right there. I mean, a little track showing, but that's because I need to pull my hair back right here. It's all going in one direction. There we go. Just gotta blend that in. Proud of me. Okay, but yeah, my hair is blended nice and seamlessly. You don't see any tracks. We got some little edge exposure here, so it looks like it's growing out of my scalp, you know, and I like it. I did a little bit of layers. I added some curls to it. You don't have to wear it tucked behind your ear like this. I did mine like this because I cut my hair last year, so my hair is still in this phase of growing out, so it's a little bit of awkward length when it comes to wearing my hair out with weave. So I tuck it behind my ear because my hair is kind of stopping right here right now because I got my ends, and if I tuck it behind my ear like this, you can't really see where the hair ends. It looks like it's just growing from my scalp and then on out of my head, you know. But I can show you guys what it looks like without it tucked behind my ear as well. But this is very cute, high quality hair. It's very long and I like the density. Not too thick, not too thin. It fits really good, especially with these little clips they put in here to make it really secure on your head, you know. It's feeling very, very secure. Like if I do a whole bunch of movement today, my wig ain't gonna slide off. So love that for me. So if you guys are interested in a U-part wig, a body wig at that, make sure you check out Dorsanee Hair. I'm going to have their link in my description bar below. Let me know, of course, what you guys think about this unit in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. I would appreciate it if you're already subscribed. Thank you so much. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.